Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are making the spicy Sichuan cold noodle, a dish you can enjoy at home or bring to the potluck party. We'll actually be using spaghetti for this dish, which you can find in any supermarket. We will boil some water to cook the spaghetti. Don't forget to season the water with salt and oil. The spaghetti will take 12 to 15 minutes to cook. While the spaghetti is cooking, let's prepare the sauce. For a pound of spaghetti, we're going to use a full clove of garlic. Peel the garlic, smash it, and then mince it. We are also going to slice some cucumber strings to add texture to the noodle. Lastly, we're going to chop up 2 strands of scallions. For the sauce, we're going to add the garlic in first, then about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, about a half tablespoon of Sichuan peppercorn oil, about 2 tablespoons of black vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sugar, a little bit MSG, and lastly, the red chili oil. I'm not going to tell you how much, so add it based on the spiciness you can handle. Mix everything nicely, and the sauce is ready. You can also blanch some bean sprouts to be added to the noodle as well. Just boil some water, put the bean sprout in for 30 seconds, and then shock them with cold water. When the noodles are ready, drain them and cool them with cold water. Let's assemble the final product. Put the bean sprout in first, then add the noodles. Add the cucumbers and scallions and pour on the sauce. Mix everything together with chopsticks and a spoon. If you're going to bring this dish to a party, just multiply all the ingredients. We hope you will enjoy this dish with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.